One thought that came to me is, does the arguments against penal substitution take into account mercy and grace, those characters and those aspects of God? Like, what would they say in response to that? Say, hey, penal substitution doesn't fall into God's character. And then a person would say, well, it does if you count his mercy and his grace. Like, that's aspects of that.
It seems to me almost the opposite. If you only consider God's mercy and grace, then the question would be, well, why doesn't God just pardon everybody's sin? Why does he require the satisfaction of divine justice? And there it would be the appeal to God's essential justice that would say that the pardon of sin requires satisfaction of divine justice. So I think that penal substitution is a wonderful reconciliation, as it were, of God's essential love and justice. His mercy and love are shown in that he himself provides the satisfaction that his own essential justice demands. So both his justice is met and the demands of his mercy and love are met.